So mina ngifuna ukwazi yini ni-inspireile ukuthi hayi asicale riding sipush ngoba ngiyanibona ni-crew vele asayenza ama-question vele asawaphekile.
So sakhuluma bathi kumele senze ama-smash up esiyi-1 nathi ukusihosta. Okay, cool. Fine. Ngas-hosta and then yay smash up sahamba inelwabo so far. Ngisawathanda wabo so far. But mangiza nama-opinion ngiqale ngibabuza ukuthi guys kungabanjani masinokwenza so. Asho umunye ukuthi hayi mntwana I feel like that's a great plan ngithi hayi ke singayenza.
Welcome to Kasi Pulse from the streets
for the streets.
We are back again, new episode, new people, good people. So shy intro amajita everyone made so shy intro igama lakhe. So I'm Kucho then izoyangeline vele.
Also like shy intro noma like shika maphela.
Shy intro ngawe ukuthi mina ngubani ngivela va.
Phela mina like ni content creator so mangishaye intro like yabona ngibamba kanjani camera.
Sure.
Like hey man into so no
ringa baba ringa ungasabi. Ringa ungasabi baba. Sure.
Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Timmy X Timmy, and today we're back at Kasi Pulse. You get it?
Yeah.
Over to
So,
you.
what's up, guys? It's your girl, Pretty Dog. We're here. Kasi
Pulse.
Pulse.
Yeah.
From the streets for the streets.
Okay.
Yeah, the streets for the streets.
Yeah, I have a fit.
Yeah, subscribe in.
Tanaka. Kalen subscribe in Buffet. It's cut. Bangi.
So sanizwa man najita. Yini abantu nama YouTube wati create ama vlogs and stuff.
Yeah.
So mina ngifuna ukwazi yini ni-inspireile ukuthi hayi asicale riding sipush ngoba ngiyanibona ni-crew vele asayenza ama-question vele asawaphekile. Mangitshele ahlala ni-two ni-break it down thini ni-inspireile ukuthi hayi mashayile into esolo sipush.
Yeah, you can go.
Okay, so like when Kasi Pulse shoot it
Yeah.
Isingisi.
No,
Very
Antwana kasi slang khuluma nje language you feel comfortable yakho.
Yeah. Anyhow.
So like okay, from me now, I think inspiring T-shirt riding content screenshot.
Sure.
So like mina namachitambe sleaze in picture it like there's not tuning next every day and so like mina ngavele ngaba nengqondo athi yazinchance ayikho into esiyenza siqaleni in YouTube screenshots siqale va ku YouTube etwa
Sure.
because sinejeni ku YouTube. Yeah, sinejeni. So what inspired us like it was like bingibaseleka mfethu masingatshoni next etwa
Yeah.
out there like kunabantu abenza imali mara thina like sihlila sithuni next etwa
Sure.
mayigcine ngathi yazini asipusheni YouTube ave namachitam sayipush nano sayipush
Sesekhona.
check Kero Gang there ngizoyithola there's bangers there so like yeah baseleka mfethu hlala phansi kungatshoni next.
Okay.
So like over to you.
Okay. Other thing I can say is I can say maybe I like to be an influencer.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I feel like being on YouTube channel, creating content and stuff, I feel like is touching Sifa.
Okay. Yeah.
Some people they will saw me and stuff. You understand? Like I'm from Kamabang, trend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I enjoy like even people around
Famous.
celebrate. Yeah. Celebrate.
Okay.
Trend.
So man, since man obvious from the start obvious yazi man mophethe one subscriber man feel ngathi unga give up. So yini lento le yenza ukuthi niphushe ethola ukuthi no fit. Yabona maye kule point esukuwe bafethu angeke is give up. Ethola obviously ngisuka fair. Kumele kube nale comment or labantu laba abasubscribe laba balifikise kule point lokuthi no fit. Angeke sikhwithe sese laba fit. Masipushe. Ethola.
Can I answer that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing is, Tina, I can say we believe to ourselves. Yeah, no matter what people are saying, we don't give a fuck. It's okay.
Nali Pauline.
Yeah, and they're like, the moment sizitshela okay even though sithola 1 into yethu esifuna like ukucabanga umuntu ukuthi even though ngithola la 1 at least ngifuna ukubona impilo yami iqhubeka, maybe tomorrow I will get that 10,
lento le
maybe next week I will get that 100, maybe next week I will get that 2k, and then be like them. I can say maybe enye into ethatha yasibeka la, it's a pressure. Pressure sometimes is good, sometimes
pressure multi-pressure usho eyiphi kind of pressure
Like-
pressure yabo
like to,
Pressure njani?
like to see people going out there, like going up there
Oh.
nabo be content
Like
creators.
pressure
Yeah.
changing people, like
Yes.
life changing. Because
Yes, that's what I'm
content
trying
guys
to
online,
say.
it's life changing.
Yeah, too much. And I
It's
don't wanna
life-changing.
lie, it's hard because you do get those comments, those
Hate
bad
comments, hate
hate.
speech. and
Yeah,
this way.
but you know what? We believe to ourselves to make us face we show you about and stuff. Guys, see, kumele siyimele nje.
Siyimele, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Ngiyaniza. So man,
What was the question again? Nginkinga yokukhohlwa.
the question was like one way or another kunale le point le nifike kuye ethole ukuthi no
Or like,
lento
kumele sikhwile. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
ngibonile.
you give up ukuthi bafethu senza ama video
Okay,
Yeah.
online, like in this YouTube journey, I feel kunale point uthi like, okay, okay, I think ngikhulume Saita, which is 2024. Saita Grand Shaft,
Yeah.
So like there was this like besina channel ayi-2 actually. Uqala kuyini usase Team XT.
Yeah.
Before kuzoba uGero usase Team XT.
Mm.
So like your Team XT is I push from like 0 to 100 ne, but then like by flag la ku YouTube like
Oh.
yaba in
By key.
yaba in
By report.
by report shoot like saluzi channel kanje saqale yini yayithola
Mm.
from 0 again no 3.1 3.1 chance
3.2 point something.
3.2 point something nakho ne
2.4.
so like into ngizoyisho nje like don't give up yayithola
singaquit.
Yeah.
don't give up
No matter how hard.
into mokuye yakho
Yeah.
Sibekezela, yes.
Ukushuthi if akusay yami kushuthi angeke ngithole lamandla.
awuzowathola yabona nje nama 0 views like nama 10 views wathola no
Yeah.
mara in the future uzobonga ukuthi wongayekanga lento leyo nano mina ngisazibonga ukuthi okay
You will thank yourself at the end of the day.
Mm.
like wayengayekanga ngiyazibonga nani
Uzobona ukuthi vele amandla wakho awaphelelanga to the drain. At least imagine there's something wayenzile. Bekezela kwakho nanto izuzayo and stuff, you understand?
So nike nafika kule point le ukuthi bafethu afuna ukuquita mina. Yayithola. Obviously nike nafika kule point yini en motivate ukuthi no abafethu masiqhubekile. But I think uma isistu answer lapha mara kade ngifuna inye deep nyane.
oh mina
Ngitshele
okay
isele story seni thatona 1 2 3 yenzekile njengale ukuthi bake babhene ukuqala naphinda nabuye yayithola.
Yeah.
okay I mean engotivated to keep going ne I lay out today like shout out to Smile by the way
Smile.
Entertainment.
Shout out to Smiley, like,
shout out to Smile Entertainment like ngilapho because of
Bring it
the
up.
Yeah.
like ungifake on
Ufake
into
on.
lesibani.
So uSmile khona ukuhlangana naye or like just umuntu umbona ku YouTube
yo
yayithola.
like
Lot
sinama
of
vlog
times,
amabhaya
a lot
na
of
like
times.
Nakhona.
yo nayo
Okay,
khona
fair. That's great.
Yeah.
yeah so like shout out to him by the way nayithola
Shout out Bafethu.
So sitshele ngevideo man ngicala because nale video ecala vele yabona yiyo le yakuthi ale iphulana umoya le.
Le I'm sure you probably you ngaba yi lowest yayithola.
Yeah.
ivideo yokuqala like
Yeah.
saqala today
Shy
ivideo
video na
yokuqala
upload. Nafila
Oh.
kanjani?
I won't lie.
Moment.
I won't lie.
Sithini?
thina we kind of excited yayithola nalezi zami bukuyi Sunday futhi
Yeah.
siyemall of like sayiqala lento asazinothi senzani sachaza ukuthi senzani interview abelungu kuphela sothola ama numbers lapho nalesi sami siyasaba ukuya ebalungini yayithola sekumele kuye mina because yimi bekwazi ukukhuluma in English at that time
Yeah.
lezi zami
Confidence ikhona.
confidence ikhona vele sawalanda abelungu like ngithanda abantu abelungu abawu2 ngijabule ne bese nalezi zami zenze in lezi zami besitila nabantu like abamnyama
Yeah, yeah.
abezingane balungu nano vele angezinye Zakai.
Yeah.
So like the first video, I shouldn't have a Molov.
Mm.
It was Molov. Buim Nova. Buim shower, ne? This bong gag bed. Yo, abesibaba.
11
Abesibaba.
obvious amlungu abantu angathi la majita afuna ukuba mingozi
Yeah, mfethu
One.
awasawa.
Abesibaba. Mara leo video online, it was kind of like exciting masiyenze.
so isase-on manje
Isase odd.
idas
Ayisekho ihambe nge-channel leyo kuqala.
Oyile ebenile la.
okushuthi le eniyenza manje le Ghetto Gang
Igero game.
kade inithema niyenza vele kade seniyazi into eniyenzayo vele kade nicaba ukuthi nothina senze ama-vlog akanje senza 1 2 3 shuthi yonke into
More
yabe
like
indlela
lesikhathi besaqala ne we're pushing content.
Mm.
Content like as in like where we go like interviews, public interviews and this so.
Yeah.
There was at that point besaqala in vlog. Like why? Vlog iyo vele ise fair. Online. Like she changed like some shit on YouTube. Sesicela ukubona izinto ku YouTube okay. Bukayo. Vlog yokuqala.
ama-vlog
So like we stick to them nanusenzawo. Ne content sayishaya. Mara kakhulukazi thina we are based on vlogs. Vlog.
So manje ngiyanyize na vlog. Manje nani ngiyashaya le tuthela ukuthi mangivuka camera yi 2 minutes ufake i-camera efrijini kwenzakala. Ngithibe ngale moment le kwenzakalani.
Yabona for no. I
Yeah.
feel like I'm the one who's doing cool later.
Yeah.
Cause mina no ngipushana ne Facebook ne Instagram.
Oh yeah.
Cause ngifuna imali from wonke.
Wawa manje ema platform.
Ngifuna yonke.
Mfethu ayi kumele uphushe wa.
So like yimi ngenza kanjani? Lesi zami ziyaqaba. Masekhaya masivashele mina.
Yeah.
Phone waya sayashuta. Nazizwe ngithetha hayi ba. Sikhathele. Ngiyasiposta nokusiposta nje. Angisho ngishutela mina nasashutela thina. So like yeah, yimi ngenza leyo nto ama-camera.
Isource wena kahle kahle. Ngithola.
so nje igama lakho bani Nhlanhla so uNhlanhla how did you meet Nhlanhla ngicela ukwazana kuphi noNhlanhla ithola
Ngicale va.
yeah because probably I don't think that akhona lapha niba 11 le emoloko kade ngeke uyenze le
Vele hlangane nayo ba. Indaba zama-smash up.
Yeah.
Atshantshele ngena like let me tell you his story of like ama-smash up because like uyocaba bekawadlala nokwadlala yodwa. That's how uyathanda ukutrend bekatrend.
oshithi elabuchela la bethi babonayo lapha abaphoxana lapha phela smash up angazi ngabona umuntu intombazane ekhaya lapha
Yabhakana le one baba.
kunzima obvious nawe uyambona ukuthi hayi behind this smile is kuningi man
Yeah. Bahlangana nami ku-Special Pass ska Trouble D, I guess.
Bukusaka trouble sha.
Oh, esenu ne?
Yo yeah, kunala sa hosta
Yeah,
khona nephumulo.
Yeah, sa host ephumulo. Okay, saqala sahlangana ne-Special Pass. Ngitho mina uqala ukuthi kuhlangana. Yeah, eMayibuya uqinisile. Sahlangana eMayibuya and then sakhuluma. Sa exchange numbers. Understand? And then yahamba inqoko sakhuluma kahle sakhuluma and then it's okay, fine. I do have followers on Facebook, on Insta. Yeah. So sakhuluma bathi kumele senze ama-smash up esiyi-1 nathi ngicela ukusihosta. Okay, cool. Fine. Ngas-hosta and then yay smash up sahamba shem. I don't lie.
kuhamba kahle
Yay sahamba kahle.
so angi-understand ngesmash up so since uthe uwostile wena ubuza abantu ama-question khona
Yeah, bengadlali at that time. Yeah, bengadlali. Ngabe bengibabuza.
usafuna ucreate amabhazi a-trend
So saqala lapho ke ngokuba together and being a team.
okay
Because sabona ukuthi yeah, it seems like izohamba kahle everything.
that's great
Yeah.
so man obvious kunale video ifrosted labo so logo how many videos do you have lapha ku YouTube
They're like 90 videos now.
90
Kuleyo
Kuleyo 90
yafela baba yafela.
kuleyo 90
But I'm mostly
videos.
ama shorts, so like I wouldn't count them. Angazi
It's
like
that's something.
ama long format video awungaki mabhaya ne mara angikhohlotha awungaki. Maybe about 24, 20, 30 somewhere there angazi. mara kuna level obvious eyi-one
Ijale ito
Hey, mara khona le favorite yakho yini ngifuna ukwazi ngale ukuthi afere if umuntu nabantu ababukela lapha ukuthi bangaqala ngayo ukuthi
avele bazocala ngayo
hayi
wenzeni
eyiphi le
bazocala ngayo vele
awusitshela
uma
isitory
ungena la.
sayo nje usichazele kancane njengaso
yiyo le vlog engintshela ngayo phela uyabona le yakhumbula le vlog bengitshela ngayo ithi vlog into eso
which one
okay first vlog yethu sivlog asiyeva
nearly
emolo
Molo,
ama smash up pass event nakhona lapho bekusatrend abantu angazi funa mcaba bathi banibongayo
nah probably
ngathi ngiyazibona yilezi amabhazi vele
Yeah, that guy has two.
ya
ngoba isigqoko isigqoko sinayo
Guy.
sure
ngathi
nayo bekusatrendayo nayo
Yeah, he's really on
Yeah.
fire though.
lapha buposte bani
He's really on fire. Shem.
too much vele
so
Not trend is we first time like this special pants.
manje sangaphela umoya thaya ngisabuyela laphaya
Ngisabuyela.
ngamtshela ya umeka sure ukuthi hawu
inkinga
phume.
bengiyazi into engiyifunayo. You understand?
Yeah.
Ngaqhubeka ngadlala and then kwagcina sekulapho ukuthi the guys sebeyangisaba manje because
Oh.
yeah, I don't wanna lie. Yeah, but my buzz, yeah, I be my cape.
so like angisho for ivideo engiyithandayo ngisho
yeah wena
ngitshela ngayo le bukuferi buku nakhona siyabeka behospital emolo a lot happened that day like besibonga besiba 3 umntwana wasithola khona bathi banusha sasuke endlini siba 3 grand shower yeah sasuke kuyimi ublessing bathi baneyinye yakwami bathi umonster guy. Make sure you guys check him out. As in angibashiya abafethu. Check him out. Ni subscribe kuMonster. Now share our podcast. Ngizomthanda. Nimcheck in. That's Monster there. Network.
sure
So feli kuyimi nalesiyavaya. Then eyinye le yeah, le yasithola khona. I'm sure nani nizoyibona kunama video kaKhiso la.
yeah
Na ikhona ke yadlala nobani nobongani. Yadlala same day. Yasithola khona na ethola phela same day bengibayena bathi bani umntwana yami ethola so like same day was more like okay ngivana nabantu like ngabajwayela ngithi ngishuta nabo kakhulu ethola because mina ngijwayela ukuthi ngishuta nobani nosha ethola so like I was low-key kinda nervous ne mara kanami sithema sibuya maku edit video sasaka khona ngiyapost
yeah
video yenza kahle yakhumbula ilanga lakho navela ngiyangesigilo kumele ngesigilo
excited
ngibukela ivideo yenza like le video la ngayibukela for i-ridings 6 days straight ephele ngiyibona ukuthi yenzani lokhu yagijima ivideo yayithola
yeah
like nami okay ngijabulile okay no ngijabulile ukuthi like okay sekune in progress kuyagijima no ama-viewers
ya trend
nosebenza imali no yayithola okay hafe manje sikhohle nokuthi kumele sidrop such a like there's excitement ukuthi senzani sijabulisa ukuthi ivideo yagijima as dropping for like more than sahlala ivikeli like 1 week singadrop ethola and into besikhabadile into leya sithema sibuya ku YouTube le ama views nabe sathi ayehla mara akhuphukile
yeah so wena you didn't answer like
probably show password my video
yeah like a video there with about this one yo at the sheets
Okay, first video. Qala kwami udlala ama special pairs. Nami ngaqala Mall of Mall of Africa.
technically special person Mall of Africa
Yeah.
okay
By that time, bekunabo Kagiso Mkhulisi, and then it was Smiley, and then it was Future Kings. Yeah, vele lapho bengiqala ukudlalela Future Kings. But ngabadlalela bonke, all of them. Ngadlalela Smiley, ngadlalela Future Kings, ngadlalela Kagiso. Understand? So this guy Bongani. Izinto zakhe lapha izinto zakhe. So I feel like natural the song at the same time because
vele lapha
Jesus Christ.
so yeah that's one of your favorite videos like
Yeah, I can say that. Kulapho ngazibona khona ukuthi yeah, mosingawamela masamakhamera.
mina ngisaseshaya camera so yini engangitshela engangigaya uthi ikhamera uyibheka nje ethe ngathi ayikho lento
Yeah. Yasikambani ngale nto vele yathi uzomo sayicala le.
Yeah.
Like just imagine ukuthi ayikho la.
Yeah,
Sekuwo
yeah.
yenzayo.
yimi engiyenza
Yeah.
mara probably kunama-cheat obvious yabona ama-cheat abhekile
Angabani
yabo
lento ifana nasesigila like awutitha bokumenza ispeech lapha phambili. Bathi ungabanaki wena ishaya into yakho. Bungayishaya into yakho.
Bangathi nje uwe nomem cha.
Bungayishaya into yakho mosha ispeech. Buyishaya ngisho.
no hayi speech phela mayazi na ukuthi hayi
Same thing into le.
ama-cheat abama-jokes kade sazi ukuthi sahlekisa 1-2
Same thing.
Bayakhona
One thing about
ukuthi-
i-writing into yenzayo. One thing about i-content ne ifuna wena. Ungakhona, ungasabe.
Focus.
Just be you.
Kumele ndingathini? Ungabe ngixhosa nawe ngayibeka kanjani? Kumele uyibekezelele mawuzazi ukuthi ufuna
Ufuna.
mawufuna uba yi-content tontoni. Yeah, kumele uyibekezelele. Like vele accept qoba camera ngizoyijonga every fucking day. Yes, every fucking day.
Every day
So
imna.
it's not like uzoyibalekela inside. Hayi ningangiveze ebusweni no.
Because yazi thi living yakho
No.
lo lento. Kumele ucathi
Obviously,
no
your friends have to
living.
see you.
Eish.
Yes, kumele bakubone and you have to tell them to subscribe
Subscribe.
and like and what and share. You understand?
Yeah.
Uzosifihla.
So probably uthi mostly seninza ama-vlog kakhulu ngisho probably kufika angithi ekuqaleni kade nenza ama-long videos into ezinjalo ethola nikhuluma about certain thing or njengale uthi kade namba nibuza abantu izinto
Yeah, like I'm a street
so
interview.
yeah how did you find out ukuthi no ama-viewers wami mina kahle kahle yenzani afrostana ukuthi
Yeah,
babukele
yeah,
ukuthi
so-
hayi life yami ime kanjani ethola ama-vlog ethola izinto ezinjalo
When did you find that? I wouldn't say like ama-viewers wethu vele athanda ini buso top yabuthola.
busobutop
Yeah.
busobutop kanjani
Like more trend ajo.
or more trend
Yabona more trend
Mm.
anakithi izothola.
sinayavumbula nje
Yo more trend nje yami.
Sure.
That is a trend.
Yeah.
Like ama-viewers wethu anjalo yithola.
Mm.
Lo ngazi umuntu otrendayo kule channel yethu siyazithaya sinama-viewers. Yithola.
Yeah. So
As long ubig nje.
yeah.
Bekwazi nje ukuthi bakubona before that content.
Oh,
Content
yeah.
kabantu bani. So bazokukhangela la ukhona.
so yeah one of your last videos wa-uploadile ngibona uyenze i-trenyana maneka ashow speed laphaya man uyabona lento yakantwana maye I was like okay umjito awuzoma ukuthini yayithola so
Like,
awungi-explainele
i-full
ngale
vi-
video
kune-full video like I-show speed nelele nama-shots.
ama-shots
Wena ubona i-shot?
mina ngibona i-short
Chaza ngithini nje?
Khona kuningi khona la.
Laphaya nje I'll just say shout out to Bruce by the way. Nangu Bruce la.
sebenzisa shout out to Bruce for fit
And shout out to Rude. Actually nangicapha kama bathu bani i-podcast ibouncer ka-I-show speed uRude.
yeah
Oh, yeah.
yeah
And ayishayile sponsor kuma kabamba uBruce lambamba athi ngithuna kani? Ayishayile.
Eish.
Shout out to Machida methwa.
mara fera angibonile ngoba la majita fera kule trend yabo le mimo lefikile manje lesa sticker somjita la
Oh, naleyo.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
nikhuluma ngaleyo.
yeah
Lega Steve. Oh, Steve la. Amaru I-show speed bahambile abantu abakaya ama-content creators akayi.
Yeah.
Ayi humble them.
Again.
I mean manginifaka man nginifake Nwelandi Mayibuye or and fall under Mayibuye under Mayibuye yeah ngoba like probably mina akusudala ngicava ukuthi amajita wami forever aku-YouTube ethola and I was like no eMayibuye leyo nto leyo ayikho kangaka ethola
Yeah, yekazi.
so awungitshela ukuthi how did you come up with ama-viewers amangaka yonke inyaka nje engaka mara ikasi lakho alikusupport lona ngokwalo bayabaleka abakusupportayo mara lona ngokwalo
Bayasho nje yami yabona angikutholi uthando from la ubuya khona.
lapho buya khona ne
There will always be hate.
Obvious.
Yeah.
Because bafuna ukuthi uyaphumelela.
yayiphusha into yakho
Yeah.
Hlezi kune hate. Mara ngithe like masingaphuma thina. No namajita ami sithi siyabavloga ngaphandle like uma Ivory so. Dog like sine-emotion la nami ngingayi-understand. Okay, iva ikasi lento le ayikho yonke lento leyo.
support
Because
ila
that is support ibhaya la. Masiphumile amakasi wabantu. kune-support.
abantu abayibheki ukuthi mjita lo uyayithola.
And abanye bayasitshela cha Joe qhubeka ngento ishe. Like nasemolo kunenye out ePloma Valley ePhumlungu. Mayiceda ngokusibona nje yathini le athlete ezasePhumlungu ngisho lesikhathi lesavele besashuta vaya ePhumlungu kakhulu. Sashita like sashama smash over.
Nowashayela la.
Cause there angazi if bengivloga nayo neshims same day molo. Kunenye out yathi ezasePhumlungu baphakisa ini Phumlungu. Yayithola. So it's like that. Yabona ngaphandle. They'll show you that.
Support ila.
Yeah, so
Hayi kasi lakho ayiye kasi noma singasiphume like iye kasi vele umuthi nje yethu. When kids say shit about it.
yeah.
Kinga angithi abasekhasi bakujwayela vele umjita lo uyayithola umbashile uyayithola
Uyayithola clean
bajawa umjita wenzani ngoba after soba sinayo emakuleni may after lapho uyayithola.
Yeah.
Bagayela into le angiyokhetha.
Ayiye kasi vele kasi from ikasi lakho mina ngibona ngathi hayi support angeke yithu. Uzoyithola phela mase uphumelela like so uyabona to no sengenza imali. Ngisho bazofuna ukuza.
Sure.
Ufuna bafake on yethola.
Which
Mina ngizonifaka on gents. Go put you on. Mara ngicabanga ukuthi ngizospana yini.
Yeah.
You content.
Sebenza.
Sebenza.
Yeah. So before welcoming another guest, and so far so change and
Yeah, ngifake abanye.
Yo, so the last question for my sister. Which let's say obvious ma creative ama video. Uza nama ID yini push out things nga idea so and yabona phakathi kwamajit ikuphatha kanjani le idea uza nayo uthola ukuthi sometimes aba approve.
So understand, what can I say? Angazi man ukuthi ngathini like into kanje ngenze example kuthi kanti kumele beshoot video.
Yeah.
And there is few people I have to be in like as a gang, like as you understand. Like when I'm coming with my so far angikazi nama opinion wami so far ngisawathanda wabo so far but mangiza nama opinion ngiqale ngibabuza ukuthi guys kungabanjani masinokwenza so asho umunye uthi hayi mntwana I feel like that's a great plan ngithi ayike singayenza mabe ngayithathi I understand ngizoyithatha nje kubinjani ngize ngihlukumeze anyways yeah part of life.
And last question, like when let's go to settle on a special pass, but whether under in Crenshaw, like Future King, Smiley, Noma.
I can say since about Smiley and about Trouble D, baby thanda ukuhlangana bonke ne. Yeah, into ezikanjalo. So mina mabehlangana bonke bengidlalela okay fine uSmiley bekacela athi guys or athi ucela ufuna kuqale yena uqala ukushoot. Understand? So fine bengishoot ngishootela uSmile and then athi no Trouble D athi nami guys manje ngizoshoot. Fine ngishoot because it seems like it's a team. You understand?
Sure.
A team. So bengibadlalela both. Kodwa kona bendiyiqala le Future Kings.
Like we member.
Yes, I was a member of Future Kings. But a lot happened. So
Yeah.
A lot happened, so I thought I would just move on.
How about like mina vele bengafuna ukukhuluma ukubhaya ne mara I'm sure lava bazongena nibazongithetha kwenzakalani like we get okay.
Yeah, they will say it.
Oh la machita alandela.
Yeah, machita alandela azongitshela grand sharp nayo.
Okay, I feel ngaba vule lethola.
Thank you.
Sharp bye.